Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. All right, friends, here we are with card number 7 of Crafting at the Lake House, and we are visiting the annual catalog with these products. The Brightest Glow stamp set and Snow Crystal are found in your annual catalog, not the mini. You will also see that I'm using a retired product. We don't sell the Stamparatus anymore, but I used it in my class because the snowflake was too massive and it's just too hard to use with a block, I think, especially in a class environment. I could do it in my own craft room, but so I used this, I call it contraband sometimes, but it's retired. So sadly we can't sell it, and I would love to, but can't do it. I have 2 and I'm hoarding them myself. So I have Blackberry Bliss here, and this is on a Stylish Shapes die, and it is the smallest banner. And then I have some really neat holographic specialty paper, and that you will find in your mini catalog. And what I'm doing here is just trying to create the same tail end. So I sort of stuck my sentiment to that holographic paper, and now I am making sure that the angles are correct, so I don't cut too deep in that angle or for that banner end. So you can see here what I'm talking about. It is nice to have the same angle. I don't know, on simple cards like this, I try to make everything as perfect as I can. Speaking of, here is some Blackberry Bliss cardstock. These 2 colors are like a great combo. I think I almost use Blackberry Bliss like a neutral almost because it's so deep and rich. And it really goes well with Lost Lagoon. Can't be happier with this 2-tone color. All right, so I've put that card front on my card base, and I'm going to score the ends. We're going to adhere the sentiment. And I am using one faceted gem for the middle of the card. And because of the featuring this really unique stamp set or both the stamp sets, I ended up getting a few sales for these products. So don't overlook the annual catalog when you are searching for your holiday cards. All right, that is my card. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.